Hi friends, so you can see AHUJA audio interface AI-22 2x2 USB audio interface AHUJA. So I'm about to unbox it. The outside packet I have already torn it. मैंने इसको फाड़ दिया. अभी अंदर वाला जो है हम देखेंगे कैसा लगता है. ठीक है, so let's see. इसका बॉक्स का ऐसे we got two plastic foams which protect it while delivering. This one is very good. Quite protective. A card that says tested and signature है वहाँ पे. Please read operating instructions before using the equipment. Test card AHUJA quality product since 1940. So this one's very good. This one's caution: no user serviceable parts inside. Refer servicing quality personal use only to prevent fire or shock or damage. So this is how it looks from here. This one is mic 1, this one's mic 2, this one's monitor, and this one is direct monitor, and like you can switch this to direct and indirect monitor, and this one's for headphones, and this one's for Inst-R, this one's for mic line. Okay, this one's for mic line, this is for instrument, I guess. So if we turn it back, so this has got a very good logo here. I really liked it, you know, like some music sign with, I don't know, power cable, I guess. So this one really is attractive if you look at it, and finishing is really nice. Like if it was sunny day, then I would have shown you. It's shining here, but it's, I think, I don't know which color it is. It's like charcoal kind of a thing which shines. And sideways, it's like this. They have a stand. You can see this kind of stands like that. And this is the thing that attracted me the most, you know. And let's look at the back side of it. And back side of it shows looks something like this. This one is like, I think, power that this goes to direct computer or mobile, you can say. And this one's like phantom power. If you are using a condenser microphone, then it has to be turned on. And if you are using phantom, if you are not using phantom, what they call it, condenser mic, if you are using dynamic mic, then this has to be off here. And this one's output R and L. This does not give you MIDI in and MIDI out. So product is this. Let me show you carefully again. Front part, down part, back side, and above it looks like this, and sideways this is like this. So finishing is quite good. And one more thing, I got one more thing with it, and that is I got this also inside it. And let me open and show it to you. This one is this is a cable. So if you can see this is a cable. So I don't think so, like feels good, but I don't know if this is really actually good or not. So this goes here. Can you see? This goes here like this, and this one is normal USB, which goes to any pod in computer, or you can, if you are connecting it to a mobile phone, then you might be needing another thing, that is this kind of a jack if you are using mobile phone. And you just need to do fit it. This one is here, so I need to fit it like this, and then this one goes to the mobile, and that's how you can use it in mobile. Clear? So let us see. I got this as well. What's this? Let me see. Okay, this one's for, I think, foot, right? I think we need to test it somewhere here so that it doesn't make a metal sound. Okay, so I'll do it. I'll do it. If, you all can see that. So now this is ready for use. So I will give a description about its use in my next video. So if you have not liked my channel or subscribed to my channel, do like and subscribe my channel. Take care. See you all in the next video.